English step by step. Pronunciation and spelling. Vowels. A, and A. Step 2. In this video, I'm going to go through the answers to a practice exercise. You can find that practice exercise in the Step 1 video, so make sure you watch that one first. So let's go through these answers and pay attention to the sounds and the spelling. Number 1, particle, particle. Number 2, past, past. Number 3, pasta, pasta. Number 4, darling, darling. Number 5, stare, stare. Number 6, bear, bear. Number 7, there, there. Number 8, stare, stare. Now you can see number 8 and number 5 have the same pronunciation. The spelling is different and the meaning is different. A stair is, for example, inside a house. When you go up and down to the first floor, you use the stair. Stare means to look at something for a long time. Number 9, station, station. Number 10, pavement, pavement. Number 11, paste, paste. Now you can see number 11 is different from number 3 because the spelling here is with an E at the end. So past changes to paste when you put an E at the end, and that's different from pasta, which doesn't have an E at the end. Number 12, patience, patience. Now, let's look at the sentences. Number 1. All the participants were bare naked. All the participants were bare naked. Now, you can see this word bare, that means with no clothes, and this word bare for the animal is the same sound. Same sound, different spelling, different meaning. Bare and bear. Number 14. Her father is her favourite parent. Her father is her favourite parent. Number 15. Australian parents are very patient. Australian parents are very patient. Now, many students of English make mistakes with these words because in other languages it's Australia and parent and patient. But remember, in English, it's Australian, parents and patient. Australian parents are very patient. Number 16. He tells tales about the past and we laugh. He tells tales about the past and we laugh. Number 17. Mary paid for the parking. Mary paid for the parking. So that brings us to the end of this Step 2 video on the vowels A, and A. So you can watch my other videos in this series, and if you like the content of these videos, please click like and subscribe, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.